In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the freeze frame slow zoom filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is a pretty cool filter, and how you get it is I'm just going to go out of the TikTok camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the Discovered tab. It's that magnifying glass icon at the bottom there. That'll take you to this page, and then you want to tap in the search bar and type freeze frame slow zoom. You can see I have it there in my recents. And then that's going to pop up the effect of the freeze frame slow zoom. Now, if you go ahead and click on any one of these videos here, most likely you won't find the filter. So you have to tap on there where it says effects, or you can go back, and I think you can also tap on hashtags and try and find a video through there. But I'm just going to go back to that Discover tab, and then I'm going to tap on freeze frame. And then from here, you can go ahead and add it to your favorites, or you can watch all the other videos to get inspiration for your own TikTok video. These are all the videos using the filter. Then I tap on the record button to make my video at the bottom there. And now it says I need to tap the screen to zoom in. So I'm going to go ahead. What you would do is record your first part in normal speed, and then you would just hit the zoom, and then you would zoom in your face, and then you would want to add text onto the video, just like all the other videos did in those examples you could see. And then obviously you can add any sounds you want. You can add other effects to your video. Then when you're ready to go ahead and publish that, you can go ahead and publish that. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.